Okay, hello guys. We are from the fourth group. We will present about our software development, especially on the use case part. So our software that we are creating is Apply. Apply is a web-based application that needed for reducing the unemployment number. Apply is an application that use profile matching algorithm to match the user data with company requirement automatically. So our team is consists of three members. I'm the first one. I'm Alex, and there is Dava and also Cempaka. Let's get into our use case. As we know, to create the use case, we have to determine our business process, and there are only one business process in our software making that we already written in our SRS, which is BP1. It's the apply automation process. In the applying automation process, there is three separate IT processes. The first one, or we name it as ITP1, is the user registration. User registration is when the user have to register their account. It will be explained later, more detailed on the later parts. The second ITP or IT process, ITP2, is input data process. It is where the users will input their data to let the system auto match, like we explained before, the auto matching algorithm. And the third IT process is the match notification process. It is how the system notifies the users. In ITP1, there's one activity, which is registering the user account. In ITP2, there are three activities, A2, A3, and A4, which is the process where the user has to search job, apply job, and hire applicants. Basically, there are two users that can use our application, our web-based application. The first one is the job seekers, and second one is the employer who hires the job seeker. That is why there is an A4, which is hiring applicants in our ITP2. And in the last IT process is the A5, activity 5, which is match notification. The system will notify when there's a match between the job seeker and the employer.
In each activity, there's a use case. In ITP1, in user registration, basically in A1, in user account, there's 7 use case. The first one is choose role. The second one is create username, create password, input email address, change password, delete account, and log out. The second ITP in input data process. In activity 2, there's a search job. There's 2 use case, such as enter search keyword and save favorite job destination. And then there's activity 3, which is apply job. There's 5 use case, such as input document, edit document, hide document, delete document, and auto apply job application. And then for the hire applicants, there's 6 use case, which is input company profile, input required skill set, input job description, auto match job description with job seekers document, download job seekers document, and contact job seeker. And then the 5th activity in ITP3, which is match notification, there's 2 use case, such as notify job seeker and notify suggested job seeker to an employer. In our presentation, we only present our third activity, which is apply job. This is about the use case diagram of third activity, which is apply job. There's 2 actor, which is job seeker and system agent. In job seeker, they can input documents, and there's an extend, which is while input document, they can edit the document, hide document, and delete document. And then the job seeker can auto apply job application, also the system agent.
Now I will discuss about the use case scenario. Okay, in use case scenario, there is input data process. In activity 3, apply job, use case, input document, actor, user, or job seeker. Overview, the user can input documents that are needed in finding job, for example, like biodata, CV, work experience, achievement, and etc. The document can be viewed by employers who would like to keep in touch with the job seeker later. The goal in context is to complete the personal data. The precondition is the user has been registered. The post condition, the user can use the auto apply feature. In user action, there is the user select the auto apply. And then second is system response. The system display form to be filled by the users. The third, the user fill the information and selects the save option in the user action. And then the last one is system response. The system validates the document. The alternate course in use case 3.2, user can edit document that he or she has input. In use case 3.3, user can hide document that he or she has input. In use case 3.4, user can delete document that he or she has input. Okay, and then there is use case edit documents. The actor is user or job seeker. Overview, the user can edit documents that he or she has input. Goal in context to fix wrong input document from the previous step. The precondition, the user has input his or her document. The post condition is the user has edit or changed his or her document and saved them. The user action first is the user select edit documents. The system response, the system show the document. And then the user action, the user edit their document and select save option. And then the system respond, the system validates the document. The alternate course in use case 3.3, user can hide document that he or she has input. And in use case 3.4, user can delete document that he or she has input. And then there is hide documents. The actor is user or job seeker. The overview is user can hide document that he or she has input to have privacy. Goal in context to not show the job seeker confidential documents. The condition, the user has input or edit his or her document. The post condition, the hidden documents cannot be viewed by anyone except the job seeker, him or herself. The user action is the user select hide documents. The system will respond, the system show the documents. The user action, the user choose which document to hide and save their option. The system will respond, the system validates the document. The alternate course, use case 3.2, user can edit document that he or she has input. Use case 3.4, user can delete document that he or she has input. Next, there is the use case delete documents. Actor is user or job seeker. Overview, use case 3.4, user can delete document that he or she has input. Goal in context to delete unwanted or unnecessary documents. Precondition, the user has input or edit his or her documents. The precondition, the deleted documents are no longer viewable by anyone in the website. User action, the user select delete documents. And the system response, the system show the documents. The user action, the user choose which document to delete and save their option. The system response, the system validates the document. The alternate course for use case 3.1, the user may input new document if he or she wants to. And there is use case auto apply job application. The actor is the system. Overview, the system will automatically match the skill set and relate document with the company's job requirement or description and desired skill sets. Goal in context to match the job seeker with the employer. The condition, the system validates the document. The post condition job application has been remade. User action, the user click auto apply button, and then the system respond, the system save the document, and then the system respond, the system will apply the document to potential company, and then system will respond, the system display a confirmation notification. Okay, thank you. That is all from group 4. Thanks for your attention, and no worries, just apply.